Using Envato elements is easy and beneficial for anyone looking to enhance their creative projects. Here's a beginner-friendly guide. Sign up. Visit the Envato Elements website and create an account. You can opt for a free trial or select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Explore the library. Once logged in, browse through the extensive library of assets, including stock photos, graphics, videos, templates, and fonts. Use the search bar or categories to find specific items. Preview assets. Click on any asset to see a preview. You can view details, usage licenses, and how the asset can be used in your projects. Download assets. When you find an asset you like, click the download button. Envato Elements allows unlimited downloads with your subscription, so feel free to explore and gather what you need. Use in projects. After downloading, incorporate the assets into your projects using your preferred software. Keep track of licenses. Envato Elements offers a simple licensing model. Ensure you understand the usage rights for each asset, especially for commercial projects.